I think Pete was really broken through.
Yeah, yeah, you're flying this one like you hate it, Pete.
Like you stole it.
No, he's been really smooth this morning. You know
Yeah,
what I mean? I
yeah.
think he had a breakthrough. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You didn't bring the gas, huh?
No, I didn't bring it out. I started to, and I was like, I didn't want to get tied up. I got a doctor's appointment this morning. So I'm going to start packing it up here after Pete lands up here. And you going to the meeting tonight?
Oh, if I can remember to go. We've only got a little over 150 flights on this airplane.
Oh, yeah? You talked about selling that at one time.
I don't think I'm going to sell that one. Extra.
Oh, I thought I was over at your house one day and you was, I thought I was over at your house and you had mentioned about selling that one. Or contemplated it one time, you know.
Yeah.
Or maybe I was the one wishing you had sell it. Maybe that's what it was. Maybe I was saying if you decide to sell it, let me know.
I don't fly that often.
Hey, yeah, I'm gone.
Okay, Jim, it's good seeing you out here, man.
Okay.
All right, I'll see you there this evening. What time is it?
It's about 5 after 9. I need to get...
No, I meant the meeting tonight.
Oh, 7, I guess. Or 7:30.
7:30? All right, I'll probably get there about 7:15.
I usually get there at 6 and eat and gab. And,
Wow, people get there that early?
oh, yeah.
Wow,
I didn't know that.
I didn't either. I figured everybody got there about 7.
Some people do.
That's why we can't never get no chairs,
5
Jim.
or 6 people that go early. That slows down pretty good.
Oh, we've got flat. Yeah, flat top.
Yeah, it slowed it right up. Good wave off there, Pete.
Good low speed, man.
Yeah. You gotta set him in. He's got it.
Oh, look at that.
Wow. Can't beat that.
No, man.
Hey, is that Rebel?
Do what?
Is your Rebel easier to fly than that one?
They fly actually pretty much the same. This one's got a little more power to it.
Yeah.
Very nice, Pete.
I think it was, yes. We'll see you later.